Ever wonder how companies decide how to sell their products? It all comes down to a framework called the marketing mix, often referred to as the 4Ps. This concept helps businesses organize their strategy to reach customers effectively. The four pillars are product, price, place, and promotion. Each one plays a unique role in how a business connects with you. These four elements must work together. If a product is great but the price is wrong, the strategy may struggle. Think of the marketing mix as your high-level plan, while your daily social media posts or sales are the actual execution. Every industry weighs these differently. A luxury brand might focus more on product quality, while a discount store prioritizes price and place. Remember that these factors are dynamic. A company must constantly adjust its mix to stay relevant in a competitive world. Understanding these foundations helps you see through the noise of advertising. Thanks for watching, and keep learning about how markets function.